Hidden ads are not visible to users accessing the site as they are implemented in ways that make them impossible to see under any normal circumstances. Bidders or buyers purchase ad space on websites in order to show advertisements. Naturally, these ad slots are expected to be fully visible when users visiting the website views them. Doing so ensures that the digital advertising ecosystem is respected. Publishers who either intentionally or inadvertently practice ad hiding can expect the following. First, a drop in viewability, as the hidden ads are obviously not going to be seen by users and therefore won't be considered as a viewable ad when following the Interactive Advertising Bureau or IAB and Media Rating Council or MRC standards. Second, negative impacts to important metrics such as viewability can eventually lead to a drop in overall performance and revenue. Last but definitely not the least, hidden ad units are considered a form of invalid traffic and can lead to penalties from different advertising networks. When ads are hidden from users visiting the site despite recording revenue and impressions, advertisers pay for something that they are not getting value out of. When this invalid activity is detected and flagged by ad partners like Google, penalties can range from revenue clawback or deductions, ad serving disruptions, or complete blacklisting, leaving your business to go up in smoke. What are some ways that ads can be hidden? Ad hiding can be done by tucking ads under iframes, hiding them behind site content and other ads, placing the ad codes inside invisible HTML containers, and implementing ads so that they are too small to be seen, which is also known as pixel stuffing. Any ad implementation that manipulates the ad so it's obscured from view should be fixed right away. Fortunately, publishers now have options to utilize invalid traffic solutions like TrafficCop, which not only analyzes traffic quality and prevents ad fraud, but gives insight into potential ad-serving policy violations such as hidden ad units. Publishers with TrafficCop also gain access to the TrafficCop reporting suite, which includes the hidden ad unit report through the PubGuru dashboard, which shows details on ad units detected to appear outside the viewport. The ads included in the report don't have 100% of their actual size on the user's end, so they're partially or fully hidden. Instances of hidden ad units that are detected by TrafficCop must be addressed immediately. Interested in protecting your business against ad fraud? Sign up for a no-commitment TrafficCop free trial subscription today.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Also, learn to monetize more by watching our tutorial series and reading our latest ad optimization tip. Please subscribe to our blog to receive periodic updates. Thanks. We'll catch you next time.